Okay, to ask and tell what your personality is, after we say our hellos, we will say literally, how are you? But we're not asking like, how are you feeling right now? We're asking like, describe yourself. What are you like? And so you will answer soy and then put your personality in. This is a pretty simple question and answer. The tricky part is, how are you going to describe yourself? Funny, diligent, hardworking, friendly. There's a whole bunch of different things, and I want you to come up with at least 3 to describe yourself. Let's do soy blank, blank, y, and blank. So you will find all of these personalities listed in the Quizlet set. If there's some other way you would like to describe yourself that is not on here, maybe you would like to say that you're athletic, or some other just general descriptive word for you, then you can look that up and use it. So for myself, I'm going to answer soy inteligente. What else? Am I serious, helpful? I am friendly. Simpática. Now here's a really important part. When you're describing yourself, if it's a word that ends with an E like inteligente, it doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl. If it's a word that could end in an O or an A, if you're a girl, it'll end in an A. You'll say soy simpática. If you were a boy describing yourself, you would say soy simpático. What can be my last one? Soy callada. Normally I'm pretty quiet. Now, if you were Superman, you might be saying some other things. Soy honesto. And we'll go on, and you should try to do 3 things. Remember, here's a boy, so you're going to describe him using the O endings. A girl, the A endings, like simpática. She is also friendly. Captain Hook. He's pretty demanding, so you'll want to use that word on him probably. Okay, so practice that. Make sure you can remember at least 3 to describe yourself, and then that you're a little bit familiar with the others. Spend a few minutes so that you're familiar with the others. Make sure you have at least 3 to describe yourself.